Welcome to the Mystical Dimensions, where we explore the mysteries of the universe and wonder of Mother Nature. Today we discuss on a journey to understand one of the most fascinating theories about our planet, the Gaia Hypothesis. Look at our beautiful planet, the blue and green oases in the space that we call our home. But what if I told you the Earth is not just a lifeless rock floating in the space? What if I told you that it's alive? With James Lovelock in the 1970s, he proposed the Gaia Hypothesis. It suggests that our planet is living, breathing organism that regulates itself to maintain the condition necessary for life. Earth's atmosphere is the vital component for this organism. It contains oxygen and methane, which are constantly renewed. This disequilibrium radiates an infrared signal which Lockwood described as an unseen song of life that is audioable to anyone with the receiver, even from outside the solar system. Lovelock developed the Gaia hypothesis when microbiologist Len Merkulis. They saw the atmosphere as the component part of biosphere rather than just a mere environment for life. Gaia is a self-regulatory system. Life forms regulate temperature and proportion of gases in the atmosphere to its life signature. This theory has been controversial, but it has also changed the way we view our planet. Humans have altered the planet in many ways, from climate change to pollution, while Gaia continues to try to regulate itself to maintain the conditions necessary for life. Lovelock has written the numerous book on Gaia hypothesis, including Gaia, A New Look at the Life on Earth and The Revenge of Gaia. Believe that humanity has potential to work with Gaia to save the planet from destruction. Gaia may be controversial, but it has sparked a new way to think about our planet. We must work together to ensure that it continues to thrive for generations to come. Have you ever looked at the planet Earth and wonder how it managed to sustain life, how it maintained a stable climate and atmosphere despite continuously changing conditions? James Lovelock had a theory that offered an explanation for this phenomenon. In the 1970s, Lovelock proposed the Gaia hypothesis, which suggests that the Earth is a living regulatory system that maintains conditions necessary for life. This hypothesis is named after the Greek goddess Gaia, who personifies the Earth. According to the hypothesis, all life on Earth, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest mammals, work together to regulate the planet's environment. For example, when the forest fire breaks out, the trees release chemicals that simulate cloud formation, which helps to cool the planet temperature and prevents further damage. Ocean plays a crucial role to regulate the planet's temperature and carbon dioxide's level. Ocean currently distributed heat around the world, and then organic microorganisms help to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, human activities has disrupted the delicate balance. Pollution, deforestation, and other harmful practices have caused irreparable damage to the planet ecosystem. Lovelock hypothesis serves as a reminder that we all interconnected and our actions have consequences that extend far beyond our individual lives. Taking care of our planet, we can work together with Gaia to ensure that a sustainable future ourselves and all other forms of life on the earth. The hypothesis may not be widely acceptable by the scientist community, but it serves as a powerful reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve our planet. The Gaia hypothesis proposes the Earth is a self-regulatory system, much like a living organism that is able to maintain the condition necessary for life to thrive. And it's not just the physical environment that plays a role, but the living species as well. Forests, for example, play a crucial role in the regulation of the Earth's climate. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen through photosynthesis. Meanwhile, the ocean's vast network of currents help to distribute heat across the planet, preventing extreme temperature fluctuations. Even smaller organisms, such as bees, plays an essential role in the Earth's ecosystem. They pollinate plants, which help to ensure the contribution of various species. But what happens when we interfere with these systems? deforestation, and pollution. For example, dispute the Earth's self-regulatory mechanism, leading to potentially disastrous consequences. Climate change, natural disaster, and extincting of species are just some of the possible outcomes of this regarding and delicate balance of the Earth's ecosystem. So next time you look at the Earth from space, remember that we all are a part of a large interconnected system. It's up to you to take care of it and ensure the continuance of life to this beautiful planet. The Gaia hypothesis proposed that the Earth is a self-regulatory system, that we all living and non-living things interact with each other to maintain sustainable conditions of life. But what if this hypothesis is not real? If Gaia hypothesis is not real, the consequences would be devastating. Without a self-regulatory system, the Earth could be a dislocated, lifeless planet. Human activities could continue to pollute the air and water, causing the widespread health issues and environmental degradation. Loss of coal, forest, and other ecosystem could lead to collapse of biodiversity, impacting everything from food supplies to the climate. Without a system to mitigate the effects of natural disaster, we could see more frequent and devastating events like hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. The loss of ice caps and glaciers could cause sea level to rise, and without a system to protect the vulnerable, the poorest and more marginalized community would be hit the hardest. Fortunately, the evidence suggests that the Gaia hypothesis is real. The Earth is a self-regulatory system, and our actions have a profound impact on its health. It's up to us to take responsibility and work towards a sustainable future for ourselves and other species that call this planet home. Thank you for watching our video on Gaia Hypothesis. If you found this content interesting and informative, please consider liking, sharing this video with others who might also enjoy it. And if you have not already, be sure to subscribe our channel, The Mystical Dimensions, for more thought-provoking and enlightening content on topics like spirituality, consciousness, and the interconnectedness of all things. Be subscribing if you are never miss out our latest video, and we will be the part of growing community and be mind individual who share a passion for exploring the mysteries of the universe. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video.